Let's double check what's going on with the BTC dominance, Ethereum BTC, and the BTC rainbow chart. So first of all, guys, few moments about a BTC chart, rainbow chart. I don't take seriously this chart, and I don't think so it's correct. One take. Second one, I don't believe in 4-year cycles. The third moment, you have to understand, in the next, I don't know, like 5-10 years, the BTC will be less volatile, like a gold, for example. So we will not see like a crazy spikes, I don't know, like 500% gains or 1000% gains like it was the previous cycles, you know, because the more people use, not like use, the more people invest in BTC, the more institutional invest in BTC, the less volatile BTC will be for the future. Hopium chart, personally for me, because sell seriously, it's showing like it should be now at the top, like 275k. Imagine 100k up to the top. Maybe we'll never touch the red line again. So sell seriously, it's 275. Maximum bubble, it's over than 384. It's absolutely no makes sense. FOMO is 240, but at FOMO, this one maybe I can believe, because it's between like 240k and 149. So, and if this is bubble, is 149 to 109. So maybe next cycle, so we will just trade in the range like purple lines, the green one, and it will be normal. That's why my take for BTC is still relevant. It's like 139k. Maybe that 126, it was the top. Let's be real, nobody care about a BTC anymore. We just worry about and so this is the main question for us. Will the BTC dominance go higher to 78 to the take profit line? Previous cycle we touch in September 21, but the madness of altcoins was here in May 21, May 21. We touched the buy line. Green line, this one, the first line of support. This is a buy line, this is a fundamental value. So here was a fundamental value. After that, we bounced to test the buy line. It's a weekly time frame, and it was a time to sell all altcoins. Of course, at that time, I'm not track with my customer set, because I just created this indicators only, I guess, 3 years or 2 years ago. Time to sell altcoins will be again at the test of the buy line. So the line are dynamic. And like you can see now, it's like 39.52 around here. And this is block, which is still relevant. The question only is, will we go now to 78.21 or even a little bit higher? This one, a little bit higher. So 78.42, this one, or we crash it down from this one, from current moment on a BTC. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks basically green. 9 weeks since middle of September, BTC dominance is going up. This was a spike on that day when the Trump announced the tariffs. We reject of that trend line, hypothetical trend line. And fun moment, we retested again after the 2 weeks on a weekly time frame, retested, daily time frame, retested, but on 12 time frame, not tested. It's kind of weird how the trading view showing us the data. Sometimes it's confusing, but if we use all of these rules like trend lines, rejection, we should see that impulse, retest, and it should going down. But maybe it's just a fake out. So at the present moment, guys, here, this is the top of September 19 sweep. And what if, guys, imagine, what if we all can be wrecked if just the BTC dominance go higher like this one and higher to the 90%, to the exit line, like 88%. So everybody will like invest in a BTC and sell all alts. alts pair to the BTC. I think it will not happen. So it's just my personal opinion. I think we already top it on the BTC dominance in June 2025. Here was a spike on tariffs, Donald Trump. And now we can go straight forward to one more retest of this line. And it's more than real to see. Again, I would like to show you the target here, 50%. We almost touched the 50%. For 61.48, it could be the perfect test of this week. We almost closed the full fill of weekly gap on the BTC dominance 64, but it's possible to see again 64. I don't believe in 64% again for BTC dominance, because if we will see the 46%, 64%, we can go even higher to 78, even to sweep this high again. So it means that more alts will be sold for BTC. I think it was a retest and we should drop it down to the next zone. Next zone will be this support. Support of December 24. If we use also the FIB like this one here. So this was a top, this is a drop, bounce 61, almost closed the full fill on the weekly, and the road should be straightforward to 55, 57, 54, 77, 27 block with this support. And one more impulse maybe down to test the alt season zone. I guess here, maybe in April, May, this line will be around 43, 45%. So now it's 39. You know, we tracked this level, I don't know, since zone 2024, I guess. And here in September 24, the line was like 34%. Now the line 39. So I would be not surprised if the, I don't know, spring zone 26, we will see the same buy line touch, but it can be like April, May 2026, and the line can be around, I don't know, 45, 46%. So it's going to be the end of cycle for the alts. But you have to keep in mind some alts will perform earlier, like Zcash. You know, so not all alts will perform in the same time. So for BTC dominance, I think it was a retest and we will not go over than 64% again. So I think 8 weeks in a row, I guess it's more than enough for BTC dominance perform like this one, and we can go down. So Ethereum BTC weekly time frame, let's check the monthly. Monthly time frame stable, at least stable. So these levels still relevant. So this is going to be the end of cycle for alts where we need to take a profit. So this is take profit, this is exit line. That time it can be this zone for BTC dominance. So these levels, it's this zone for BTC dominance. And that's why we have to combine these two charts and track it. This is monthly time frame. We didn't retest the monthly buy line. Buy line is 0.03. So if we will bounce to 64%, yes, the Ethereum BTC pair can retest the 0.03, 0.50. It's test of the buy line on the monthly. Here's also the gap on the monthly. I don't think so. We will go and close this gap now. I think we'll come back and close it later. So like you can see, the 3 months and still ongoing, the people sell more Ethereum and buy BTC, unfortunately. Weekly time frame, here the line also the same, like to 0.025. This is a buy line on the weekly. So once again, if we will see the BTC dominance 64, you should be ready to see the sell-off on the Ethereum, and institutional will buy more BTC. Unfortunately, guys, it means it's basically nothing changed the time frame for spring 26, but it can be pretty horrible for the other altcoins. Because if the institutional now starts selling the Ethereum, buying BTC, yes, can rocket to the 139K, 150K, but alt's gonna die. So It's kind of bad, guys. So now we try hold the line 23 level by FIB. The test of the buy line, take profit line on the weekly is 0.049, exit line 5 and 57. Daily time frame is here. The buy line the same like on the weekly. So basically, guys, nothing fundamentally changed on this charts. I'm still waiting the continuation of the uptrend on alts, not just only on privacy tokens, but I'm waiting the new all-time high on Ethereum, but realistic all-time high, not like 15,000, 20,000 for Ethereum. No, I'm waiting just conservative one like 7 or 8. Okay, so this is it. And if we check, guys, so with 12 time frame, we just in the middle. So it's kind of a weird situation, right? It's a long downtrend since August. Since August, they will sell the BTC, Ethereum and buy BTC. That's why I think one day, anyway, the money started rotating from the BTC to Ethereum, from Ethereum to the altcoins. So targets, guys, personally for me, relevant. The open question only is when, the timing. I guess if we, like we can see now, it's November 12th, not seeing the crazy altcoin season. I think some alts will perform in spring by seasonality. I don't think so. We will perform January. You know, I think we have to keep holding till spring 2026. So this is it, guys. And track the BTC dominance. I'm gonna add alert here. Let's add alert to this block, and when I see the alerts, I will see notification. So maybe I will share in Telegram channel. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment with your thoughts about a BTC dominance. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.